Measures to counteract landslide. First, assess your property. Conduct thorough evaluation of your property to determine if it is located in a landslide-prone area. Second, avoid building on slope. Refrain from constructing homes or structures on steep slopes where landslides are mostly likely to occur. And lastly, emergency preparedness. Create an emergency plan. Develop a family emergency plan that includes evacuation routes and communication strategies in case of a landslide.
Tsunami is heading towards a village. In order to prevent the village from getting destroyed, we built a tsunami-resistant structure.
They are designed to be strong enough to resist the powerful forces of a tsunami, preventing them from being completely destroyed.
To prevent flood disaster, first, infrastructure including dams, bridges, and culverts. Second, maintenance of existing structure. Third, individual flood proofing measures. Fourth, improve traffic access. Fifth, property surveys. Sixth, land use planning controls. Seventh, building and development controls. Eighth, catchment flood modeling.
Unfortunately, we can prevent earthquakes from happening. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates deep within the Earth's crust, and we don't have the ability to control those forces. However, we can do things to prepare for earthquakes and make ourselves safer. Here are some important things we can do. First, secure our homes. We can secure heavy furniture and appliances to prevent them from falling during shaking. Second, have an emergency plan. It's important to know what to do during an earthquake, where to go, and how to contact loved ones. Third, prepare a disaster kit. We should have a kit ready with supplies like food, water, first aid, a flashlight, and a radio. While we can prevent earthquakes, we can take steps to prepare for them and reduce the risk of damage and injuries.